Believe me, this is one of the great habits you can inculcate in your daily life. Think habits are hard to build? Not if you start here. Welcome to Sona Motivates habit number 13, and it is just eat handful of seeds or nuts every single day. So this is one of the healthiest habit. Yes, some of us are scared that because nuts and seeds have lots of calories and fats, is this a good idea, especially when your metabolism is slowing? Yes, it is. Believe me, this is one of the great habit you can inculcate in your daily life. Now, what's so special about it? Nuts and seeds, even though they are packed with lot of fat, but it's a good quality fat. Yes, it has some calories which is needed by the body, and also they are packed with protein and minerals which help you for brain health, for providing you energy, and also for the glowing skin. So yes, seeds and nuts should be integral part of your daily habits. So now there are a bunch of different nuts you can have, like almonds, cashews, pistachios, then Brazil nuts, and all the good stuff. Brazil nuts are rich source of selenium. In fact, one or two, just eating those many will have completed all the required amount of selenium your body needs. Now, selenium is a powerful antioxidant mineral which is needed by your body for thyroid function, for brain health, for protection against oxidative stress, and much more. So selenium is important, but if you eat more than two, it can cause toxicity. So that's why you have to really remember about this, that you have to eat all the seeds and nuts in moderation. Now, in one of my nutrition classes, when I told about how selenium is important and Brazil nuts have required amount, one of my senior the participant, she grabbed the whole packet of Brazil nuts and she was snacking it whole day, and then next time she said, I wasn't feeling good, so next time we meet, she told about it. I'm like, okay, that's where we all have to have this line, that when we eat any kind of this healthy food, we still have to have some moderation there, because everything in moderation is definitely needed when you build these healthy habits. So try and eat all these, but in moderation.